Put garlic, ginger, tomatoes in a grinder jug and grind. Add yogurt and fennel seeds and grind it well. Add cooking oil in a big wok on medium to high flame and add grind mixture. You can make this curry in a pressure cooker for quick cooking. Alternatively, you can also cook in regular pot. Now, add half teaspoon of nigella seeds, mustard seeds, fenugreek seeds, salt, red chili, turmeric powder, coriander powder, and cover the lid for 10 minutes. Remove the lid. You will see the oil has come to the top. Now, fry the masala for some time and mix it with fried masala and fry the meat well on high flame until they start to turn golden on edges. Add water and mix it well with material and cover the lid on high flame for 7 to 10 minutes. Remove the lid and add half teaspoon nigella seeds, half teaspoon fennel seeds and bring it to boil without lid on high flame for 5 minutes. Put 1 tablespoon pickled spices in a bowl and squeeze 2 lemons over it and mix. Remove seeds of green chilies and cut the green chilies lengthwise on one side and fill these spices in green chilies. Add ready green chilies in pickle curry and put off the flame and cover with lid for 5 minutes. Dish out pickle curry. Pickle curry is ready.